Okay, here's the problem that we were working on that I seem to get stuck on. The reason I was getting stuck is because of these numbers right here. This bullet is the correct one. Check mark. These others are all wrong. But so are these numbers right here. So this is a bogus question. None of the choices are 100% correct, but I'm going to show you how to fill in the table on this board right here. So let's just pretend we're going to fill in this table based on this Venn diagram, which we did correctly. And S stands for salsa, and this little tilde symbol means not salsa. So in the upper left-hand corner of each of these boxes, and by the way, these four boxes right here are called joint relative frequency, and the ones on the outside are marginal relative frequency, and you can use the values that we get in here to compute conditional relative frequency. But anyway, this box right here is the number of people that take salsa and ballet, and that's this 23 right here. So I'm going to put this like in the upper left-hand corner. Ballet and salsa. This box is ballet and not salsa. So ballet and not salsa would be 15. And the total that are taking ballet, yeah, the total that are taking ballet is 38. 23 plus the 15. Now if I want to fill in this column, salsa and not ballet, that would be the 31. And not salsa, not ballet would be 10. So if we total up these numbers, this is 54. There's the number of people that were doing salsa. The number of people that are not doing salsa would be 15 plus 10 is 25. And if I total this way, I get 41. And this adds up to 78, or 79, I should say, in both directions, 54 plus 25 and 38 plus 41. So there's the total number of students, 79. And to convert these to relative frequencies, we divide each of these numbers by the total number of students. So 23/79. If you go to Desmos or get a calculator out, you find that's 0.29. So that's the relative frequency for both salsa and ballet. 31 out of 79 is about 0.39. So this is 0.68 total. 15 out of 79 is 0.19. 10 out of 79 is 0.13. And those add up to 0.32, which would be the same as 25 out of 79. So we could do for this column 38, or this box 38 out of 79, or we could add up to 29 and 19, which is 0.48. And 39 plus 13, 0.52. And guess what? If we add up the relative frequencies down here, we get 1.00, both for this column and this row. So there's the frequency table. The conditional relative frequency means that you can answer questions like this. If somebody's taking salsa, what is the probability that that person is not taking ballet? So taking salsa is this column, and not taking ballet would be this, and that would be the answer to the question. So you can use the relative frequency table to calculate conditional relative frequency. So if we go back to board 1, we see that this table matches what I just did on board 2, with the exception of what's here. Those entries are not correct. You might want to draw that to your teacher's attention. There you go. Hope that helped. I'm going to end the video and post it on YouTube for you to watch.